Hello, Shane Remick with Central Sales coming to you from our virtual open house here at the dealership. We're going to give you a little sneak peek and a couple benefits and features of our new 9924 VE white planter. This particular planter is 24 row 30, and with precision planting teaming up and being part of ACO, we can now offer a lot of precision components from factory. This particular one has vSet electric drives for individual row shut off, turn compensation. It also, we can got the delta downforce, hydraulic delta downforce on this particular unit. Our new 9924 VEs come on 30-inch tracks. Plus, we got 150 bushel seed capacity, plus a 1,500 gallon liquid fertilizer capacity as well for getting the job done, staying out there longer. For any details, give us a call. It is sitting outside the dealership if you want to swing by and take a gander at it. We're just going through the PDI process on it right now. Hope to see it in the field soon. Hope to see you guys soon. Thank you.